Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use Google AI Studio. So in Google AI Studio, first of all, once you log into Google AI Studio, but I'll explain how to log in as well. So if you are new or experience, maybe they are very aware about it, how to use Google AI Studio, but couple of new things I'll be talking about today. So first of all, you have to go to URL and then type Google AI Studio, and then this is the very first link, Google AI Studio. You click over there. So uh, this AI Studio, before going to start work on it, then what we'll do? We'll create a get API key, and this get API key, there is the option create API key. Once created the API key, then we'll just interact with Google AI Studio to altogether the features and benefits you can interact. So Gemini and the new version and the old version, so you can use. So now I'll be talking about the new release Gemini 2.5 Plus and Pro. What is the availability on that? So we'll discuss about that. So Gemini 2.5 Plus, as you can see, the input and output API pricing, the input pricing and output pricing, and the benefits like what all are benefits will you get. Thinking, non-thinking API pricing for 1 million token, UI remain free of charges. UI remains free of charges, and the best for what is the Gemini 2.5 Plus will best for large scale processing data, for example, multiple PDF, low latency, high volume tasks which require thinking and agentic use case, and the rate limit 1000 RPM and 10 RPM 500 requests per day, and the use case the region over complex problem, and so the thinking process of the model and call tools natively. So these are the benefits in this Gemini 2.5 class, right? So now we'll be talking about some other one Pro. So let me select Pro here. So Gemini 2.5 Pro, what is the best use case? What is the best use for? What is the use case and how? What is the pricing? And the input output API pricing token less than equal to 200k token, greater than 200k token for and the pricing input and output, as you can see, input pricing $1.25, and uh, and that API pricing for 1 million token and UI remain free of charges, and best for coding. Gemini 2.5 Pro is best for coding, reasoning, multimodal understanding. What all are the use case? This is used for reason over complex problem, tackle difficult code, math, and STEM problem. Use the long context for analyzing large data set, code base, or document. And the knowledge cutoff from January 2025, rate limit to 150 RPM, and latency is also, you can see latency can increase and decrease. Now let me go to select the Gemini 2.5 plus 105 and 20 new, and this is also, you can see, thinking, not thinking API pricing for 1 million token in output, input output API pricing, input pricing and output pricing, how much, and best for large scale processing multiple PDF, and low latency, high volume of tasks which require thinking, agentic use case. Best use case for this Gemini 2.5 class, Gemini 2.5 class, the region over complex problem. So the thinking process of modeling called tool natively and the rate limit on that. And now you can check the overview of the previous one class preview, and this is the very similar to the new one. Yes, so this is very similar to the new one as well. And these are the options and token count, temperature you can set here, creatively allow the response, thinking mode, set thinking budget you can set here, and structured output you can edit, code execution you can edit, function calling, these are the options you can. And now, for example, let me chat. First, we'll explore the chat, how interact with the chat. Hi, help me to calculate x plus y equal to 3 and y plus x equal to 7. Help me to calculate the, you can see this looks a system equation you provided, and then the solution they cannot equal two different value in the same time. So let me change with the Gemini Pro is for mathematical things. So let me edit one more time and hit enter. Solve this equation. Let me try from the scratch. Run it. Pro is basically teach for math and coding. You see, help me to solve the equation. So similarly, if I'll ask to write a code, help me to write a Python code to find duplicate character of a particular particular string. So help me to write a code here. You can see how it is easy, like only put the question and then you'll get a solution. To get a code, to get a math solution, yeah, you can see the option wise also showing option 1, option 2, and explaining details which method to choose. right? So they nice explain mm, Python program which you can get easily with the proper explanation. So this is the Gemini 2.5 Pro. If we go to use Gemini class, so to use the for example, help me to write a marketing content. Help help me to write a marketing content for my my grocery my my real estate my real estate my real estate business. So I'll help me to create a content for my marketing of real estate business. You can see that. So very nicely explaining me what to do and right. This is a very structured way explain me and here many things like in like you can help can you help me to write an email? I help me to write a email. You can also see you can get a professional email. You see. So this is one many things we are unlock to our enhance our day-to-daily work to get help to using Gemini 2.5 class whether for marketing to product launch and also like mathematical code and some programming code mathematical programs mathematical solution if you want you can get from Gemini 2.5 Pro. How it is easy to get the solve the solution mathematical solution and to write a code as well to help the developer to help the students. uh, this is the things which you can help. And now moving to the streaming part. So for example, if I talk, hello, can you help me to book a travel? Can you help me to book a travel ticket from Pune to Goa?
Sure, I can help you with that. To book a ticket, I'll need some information. What are your preferred travel dates and whether you like to travel by train, bus, or flight?
I want to travel by flight.
Okay, and what date would you like to travel?
So most probably next week, 29.
All right, I can look at flights from Pune to Goa for May 29th. Please give me a moment to check for available flights and fares.
Did you get flight for me?
Yes, I found a few options for flights from Pune to Goa on May 29th. There are several different airlines with flights available with varying departure times and prices. Would you like me to give you more details on the options?
You can go with Indigo.
Okay, I can provide you with information on Indigo flights. Let me check the availability for the Indigo flights from Pune to Goa on May 29th.
Yeah, can you also book a hotel for me in Goa?
Yes, I can help you book a hotel in Goa as well. To find the right hotel for you, could you tell me what your preferences are? Like the location, budget, and any specific amenities you're looking for?
I'm looking for Baga Sea Beach, nearby Baga Sea Beach, any five-star hotel.
Okay, I can look up five-star hotels near Baga Beach for you. Let me find some options that fit your preferences.
Okay, can you help me to find a grocery for my today marketing?
Yes, I can help you find groceries. What kind of grocery items are you looking for? Knowing what you need will help me suggest the best places to shop.
I want to buy from Blinkit.
Okay, you want to order from Blinkit. You can order groceries directly through the Blinkit app or website. Just open the app or go to their website, select the items you want to purchase, and then place your order for delivery.
Okay, I'm very new to technology, so how it will be helpful to know cloud and AI? Could you please help me?
Cloud computing and AI can be very helpful. Cloud computing allows you to use powerful computing resources without needing expensive equipment, and AI can help you automate tasks, analyze data, and make predictions. Learning about both can open up many opportunities for various applications.
Where we can start cloud and AI to start learning?
There are many resources available to start learning about cloud computing and AI. You can explore online courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, or Udemy. Also, many cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure offer free tutorials and documentation to get started. There are also many books and blogs dedicated to these topics.
Could you please tell me something? What is the difference between agentic AI and multi-agent AI?
An intelligent agent AI is a system that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. It operates independently within its environment. On the other hand, a multi agent system involves multiple intelligent agents interacting with each other and their environment. These agents coordinate and communicate to achieve common goals, often tackling more complex problems than a single agent could handle.
Could you please explain me a little bit more about what is the difference between AI and ML and generative AI?
AI, or artificial intelligence, is the overall field of creating systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI where systems learn from data without being explicitly programmed. They improve their performance over time by analyzing data. Generative AI is a specific type of AI that can create new content, such as images, text, or music, that resembles the data it was trained on. It's designed to generate novel outputs.
So recently Google launched a new certification, Google GenAI leader. So how to prepare for that?
To prepare for the Google Cloud Generative AI Leader certification, focus on the core concepts of generative AI, including different models, their applications, and ethical considerations. Familiarize yourself with Google Cloud's generative AI services and how to use them effectively. You can practice with hands on labs and review the official study guides provided by Google. Understanding the practical aspects of implementing generative AI solutions is crucial.
Thank you for your informative guidance.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Feel free to ask if you have any more questions.
Sure, I'll ask you later, but let me move on to next video.
Sounds good. Just let me know if you need anything else.
Can you tell me what is the option show to my screen?
I see several options on your screen. There's a stream real time section with options for turn coverage, effective dialogue, and proactive dialogue. There's also a session context section with a prompt input field. On the right, there are options for output format, media resolution, and other settings.
Can you tell me what the current screen which I have shared with you?
The current screen you've shared appears to be a real time streaming interface, likely related to the Google AI Studio. It shows options for handling streamed media, managing chat interactions, and configuring settings for AI responses.
So there is an option try it in console. Where is that?
The Try It in Console option appears to be a button located near the top of the page, possibly in the main area related to generative AI products. It looks like a way to directly access the console for testing the features.
So there is an option free tier product. Where is that?
The free tier products section is located below the main generative AI products information. It lists various Google Cloud products that offer free usage limit, allowing you to try them without immediate charges.
So what is the status of the screen now?
The current screen displays more offers from Google Cloud, including free trials for various services and details about their key benefits. It also shows options for contacting sales or managing your account.
Okay, if I am a new to Google Cloud, so how to learn Google Cloud?
As a newcomer to Google Cloud, you can start with the free tier products to explore the services. Google provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and online courses to help you learn. You can also check out Google Cloud certifications, which provide a structured learning paths. Engaging with the Google Cloud community can also be very helpful.
Okay, all right. Thank you for this information. It will be helpful for our audience. Thank you.
You're most welcome. I'm glad I could provide the information. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions.
So, can you tell me what t-shirt which I have wear?
You're wearing a green t shirt.
And can you tell me what's the object in my hand?
You're holding a smartphone in your hand.
So, which smartphone, which company smartphone?
It looks like an iPhone.
Okay. And what is the content is available on my screen?
The content on your smartphone screen shows the time, notifications from various apps like Flipkart, YouTube, Facebook, and Gmail, and the camera app icon.
Okay, thank you for this information. Yeah, so this is all about this video. I mean, various things which you explored today.
Today, we reviewed the Google Cloud offerings, including free trials, and also discussed the t shirt you were wearing and the smartphone you were holding, including the content on its screen.
So the various options which we discussed now, like screen sharing, camera, audio, how it's helping us to do all these things, right? So this is super helpful and super cool features which is launched by Google. So you can explore, uh, right? You can also integrate with your own business. This is the very good and cool features. Audio input, and then response, and then screen sharing, and then video sharing, how the lively catch up the information and providing the information in the right way. So this is a very great thing, so yeah, so very it will be helpful for our daily life improvement. If you are doing mistake, or if you want to know something, so how to clarify and how to get the proper information to unlock your potential, to improve your uh, capability, right, to improve your efficiency of the work in your personal or in business. So anywhere you can utilize this technology. Now coming to the generate media, so you can also create a video, audio. So this option like create a image, create a speech, create a video. These are the model you can use for imagine to to create a image. For example, help me to create cake. So it will create a cake for me. Similarly, if we'll go for the video creation that I'll show you, but quickly show you how to create image. You can see this is a yummy cake, right? So now let me go to the video part. You can use the Vevo 2, Vevo 3 also recently launched, but we can use Vevo 2 to generate a video. So you can real-time music to create the new speech generation, Gemini image generation, all that model is available. You can use that and build app with Gemini. For example, you want to create a model using, for example, you want to create a chatbot. So you can choose a template and you can start explore, right? So this is all about the new things which I explained today. So I hope this will be helpful if you want to start learning or you want to integrate with your business. So either or it will be helpful for you to upskill and you can also integrate with your own business. So Gemini will help you to boost your business, to boost your personal efficiency of work. So many area, whether you are student, whether you are a professional, whether you are a business owner, so everybody can use this technology to improve yourself, to improve your efficiency of work, efficiency of your productivity, how you can increase your productivity, how to, with very limited time, how you do many things with the help of this Gemini. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more video. So see you in next video. Thank you.